Hey guys, it's Ben here from Wrench Benders. I just recently installed Vixen's twin air compressor system on my Loadstar, and it absolutely will make sure you have rapid air as soon as you start the vehicle up. Enough for me to air up my 4 airbags on my rear axle to get it up to ride height. And it keeps the air pressure in the tank high enough to keep my horns loud, even though I do like the horn button a little bit. So let's take a look at where I've got the compressors mounted and what they look like. Okay, I've already got the filters on the back side of the compressors. They're sitting there where they need to be. The only thing I need to do now is I need to put my tape on this fitting here, and these will plug into the, oh, better take that out. These will plug into the filter dryers. Try and get that hose where it looks halfway decent. And it'll look something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my washers and my lock washers and nuts and stuff on the tanks, get them bolted down good, and I'm gonna thread these up and or put the tape on them and thread them in. So right here's where I have the dual compressors mounted, and they're right underneath the bed of the truck. They're actually mounted in between the frame, and I'm gonna set the camera and the mic here, and I'm going to turn it on. Now I'm gonna pull away and I'll get outside the truck. Okay, this is standing up. They're really not that loud. I mean, you got to understand, they're making 200 PSI. And considering the volume that they produce and at what pressure they produce it, they're really pretty quiet. But let me get up here and I'm going to turn the compressors on. That way we can get some air in the system, and then I'm going to raise the truck up and down. Comes up pretty quick, but here's what everybody's wanting to know is, does the air horn work? I'll show you the button for a second, but you got to listen to this. So if you guys are looking for a reliable air compressor that produce 200 PSI and do it pretty quickly, I highly recommend the Vixen twin air compressor system. And even if you get a single, it's going to be better than some of the other guys.